Today we will work on a road sign. The task is not difficult, but quite interesting. It will be useful for both experienced drivers and beginners. But be careful, almost 70% of our viewers answer incorrectly in the comments. So, here is the task. What does this sign mean? Number 1. There is a traffic merging area ahead. Stop before merging. Number 2. There is a one-way road ahead. Proceed with caution. Number 3. U-turns are allowed here. Slow down. Number 4. There is a roundabout ahead. Prepare to yield to traffic. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you will find out whether you are right or not. I'll set the timer and give you 5 seconds to think it over. I hope you had a time to make a choice because we are moving on to a breakdown of this task. This sign indicates a roundabout ahead. A roundabout is a circular intersection in which traffic circulates counterclockwise around a central island. Slow down and prepare to yield to traffic in the roundabout. So the correct answer is number 4. Congratulations if you have chosen it. I'm Bill, your driving instructor. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you and issue a fine. Drive safely and take care.